Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. Supporting lecture, Ms. Rahmi Ramajanti Zain SPD MA, and to my friends. Today, I'm going to present a topic elasticity of demand for cigarette paper photocopy. It's pleasure to have the opportunity to speak before you today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Resha Alia Mahendra. NIM 2310511027. Introduction. Micro, small, and medium enterprise. Based on law number 20 of 2008, micro business are productive business all owned by individual. Have a very important role in a country economic sector, including the photocopier sector, in introducing the use of paper to micro, small, and medium enterprise. There is a very important context. The use of paper in the photocopier business has several important implications in increasing operational efficiency and providing add value. Photocopier make a significant contribution to the growth of gross domestic product GDP through the creation of jobs. To understand the potential contribution of photocopier to GDP, it is necessary to measure the level of demand elasticity. Measuring the level of demand elasticity will provide a better understanding of consumer sensitivity to price change and their potential impact on revenues. First, knowing the elasticity of demand will help plan optimal pricing strategies. If the demand for photocopies is elastic, the rate price reduction can significantly increase the number of sales and income of which contribute to Indonesia's GDP. With the level of elasticity of demand for photocopier, we can calculate how much paper is in demand. Result and discussion. After I conduct direct interview with Mr. Yeo as the owner of the Seagate photocopier business, I obtained data on demand for paper at various price level every 2 weeks. I present the data in the following table from Table 1, Seagate photocopy paper demand per 2 weeks. Elasticity of demand refers to the extent to which the quantity demand of a good or service will change in response to change in the price of that good service. Q 2000 Extend Chapter 5. After testing the elasticity of paper demand at Seagate photocopier using the data and methods that previous, I obtained the following result. The formula used to test the elasticity of demand above is. This is result of the data that has been obtained. The analysis shows that the demand for paper at Seagate photocopy is elastic. Prices have increased from EDR 1,900,000 to EDR 1,950,000, causing a decrease in demand from 50 people to 30 people. The increase in paper price was EDR 50,000, reduced demand by 20 high priest, reduce purchasing power and decrease demand. Okay, thank you for your attention. I say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.